Hi guys, today I'm checking out something that could completely change the way you clean your floors. The UWANT D600 Wet and Hot Air Drying Vacuum Cleaner. It vacuums, mops, self-cleans and even dries itself automatically. I've been testing it around my apartment and in this video I'll show you how it works and whether it's really worth your time. Alright, first let's take a look at the box. It's pretty big and right away you can tell this isn't a small gadget. It's a full cleaning system. Let's go ahead and open it up. Inside we've got the UWANT D600 itself, the main star of the show. Then there's the push-in docking station, which handles charging and supports its 4-dimensional self-cleaning system. You also get an extra brush roller, a cleaning brush, and a bottle of cleaning solution. Nicely sealed, no leaks in the box. There's also an extra filter included, and of course the user manual in case you need setup help. Everything you need to get started is right here, neatly packed and well organized. The feature not many traditional vacuums have is the 180-degree lay flat design. You can push it completely flat to slide under beds, sofas or other low furniture. Those hard to reach spots that are usually not easy to clean and where your back usually hurts. It also has a triple edge cleaning system, which lets it hug corners and baseboards perfectly. On the handle you'll find 4 buttons, one for power, one to switch cleaning modes, smart, max or dry, a cleaning button and a volume button. This time it also comes with a large LED display that shows key info like battery life, self-cleaning notifications and water levels, so you always know what's going on. It even has a voice assistant that guides you as you clean, which I found really useful during use. Now here's where it gets interesting. The D600 uses a triple tank system, one for clean water, one for dirty water and one for solid waste. This setup keeps everything more hygienic and allows it to handle more than just dust. It runs for about 40 to 50 minutes on a full charge, which is enough to clean the whole house in one go. Charging takes 4 to 5 hours. The whole workflow is simple. First you pull out the vacuum and start cleaning. It goes through a multi-stain clean, picking up dirt, water and debris from the floor. I have the D100, which is the older model, and the D600, which is the latest one. I tested both on the same floor using the same dirt to see how they handle stain cleaning. The D100 still does a decent job for everyday messes, but the D600 pulls ahead pretty quickly. It has stronger 23,000 kilopascal suction, a slimmer 12 cm profile that fits into tighter spaces, and a longer 50-minute runtime overall. The D600 cleans faster, reaches more spots, and leaves no stains behind. Both the D100 and the D600 come with a self-cleaning system, and they both separate dirty water into the waste tank while keeping clean water in its own tank. The main difference is in how well they clean the roller brush. The D100 rinses the roller, but the D600 does a much deeper job. Its upgraded system washes the roller more thoroughly and dries it better, so it stays cleaner and doesn't develop any smell. Once you're finished, you push the machine back into the base. The base automatically starts the 4-light self-clean cycle, which washes and refreshes the roller brush. The multifunctional RGB base station gives you clear visual feedback for every cleaning stage. Green light detects stains and activates the 212 degrees Fahrenheit hot water cleaning for the roller brush. Blue light is for deep cleaning. Purple light activates UVC sterilization. Red light triggers 212 degrees Fahrenheit hot air for ironing and drying. This way you always know exactly what stage the vacuum is in while it's cleaning. Cleaning it afterward is super simple. Just open the trash storage, remove the filter, dump everything out and rinse it under running water. It only takes about a minute. You'll also need to empty the dirty water tank. Just pour it out, give it a quick rinse. One of the best things about the UWANT D600 is its waterproof design. It has an IPX6 rated motor, which means you can safely wash parts of the vacuum without worrying about damage, something most traditional wet-dry vacuums can't handle. The roller brush even cleans itself automatically, but if you ever want to wash it manually, you can easily remove it and rinse it under running water. So overall, the UWANT D600 feels like a smart, well-built cleaning system that really saves time and effort while keeping your floors spotless. It comes in two colors, white and black. Personally, I prefer the full black. You can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.